Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the Bitcoin dominance, but I don't want to have a technical analysis on the Bitcoin dominance. I just want to have another, let's say, another view, another point of view to the Bitcoin dominance. If we go to the coin market cap, we can see market has around $1 trillion market cap. Which the Bitcoin dominance is around more than 43%, and Ethereum is more than 15%. In total, these two assets, they have approximately 60% of the market cap. If you go back to historical snapshots of the market cap, for instance, on 5th of May 2013, we can see it was not that much coin in the market. Those one we can see even today is a Bitcoin and Litecoin. The other coin, they are not exist anymore in the market, and people, they are not interested to invest or to do, let's say, sort of investing on these coins and tokens. Which mainly these crypto assets, they are sort of fork of Bitcoin. Then we can see, okay, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, they are exist. Now we can see Dogecoin, it is around as a meme coin, and the other coins are not that much, let's say, talking around. People, they talk about this coin. Then what I want to say is in the first, okay, this one, it's a dominance of the Bitcoin, and the other one is the price of the Bitcoin. In the first halving, mainly what we saw, it's most of the coin, the majority of the coin, they are some sort of fork from the main code, which was the Bitcoin. Because the only technology in that time was Bitcoin. Then we can see many people, they try to fork Bitcoin and to have a sort of optimization for their purpose to modify the Bitcoin fork, and they were not successful and they were not able to do anything. But after we saw in 2014, 2015, which we can see the Ethereum introduce new form of let's say blockchain, the layer 2 solution. Let's see, the Ethereum, it exists in, yeah, Ethercoin, no, it's not here. 2015, 2016 should be there. Yeah, you can see Ethereum, it was around $3. It's just a joke. Okay, then in 2017 and 2018, what we saw, many crypto assets drastically increased in the market, and they made a smart contract, and they start to have this either Ponzi scams, or let's say really raising money, like project like a Cardano, like Tron, like a BNB. And then we can see we have a paradigm shift in the market. What I want to say is, if we, this one, we can see in 2017, after the market hyped and printed the new ATH, because most of the crypto assets in the market, they exist in that time, they were either scam or let's say those assets which they don't have any utility, any let's say any sort of utilization. They were just a token of do nothing. Then in that time, Bitcoin easily, in terms of market cap, in terms of the dominance, easily retraced back to its 50% dominance. I'm talking about here, which took around Okay, 105 days. Easily, Bitcoin retraced its dominance and the market cap of the Bitcoin. But on the other hand, we can see in this cycle, in this halving, Bitcoin, it was not able easily retrace back the dominance. Many people, they talk, okay, we can go to the 50%, it's very close. But after the first ATH, if we consider here as a first ATH of the Bitcoin, after 455 days, Bitcoin was not able to touch 50% dominance. Also, if we consider the 69,000 as an ATH of the Bitcoin, it again, after 238 days, Bitcoin still is not able to retrace its dominance, which I'm talking about this box and this box. Okay, this one, blue. Okay, this one and this one. But here, Bitcoin easily retraced. Also, we can see after 610 days almost, Bitcoin went back to its previous dominance. Okay, and that one was before the pandemic and before the crashing of the market. But here we cannot see this pattern. But what I want to say, what is important here, the important thing is a crypto assets, blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology is getting mature and mature, okay, more and more. And it is not now, it's only about the Bitcoin. What I want to say, in this period of time, many investors on crypto, they were not really happy with their token, okay? Therefore, they sold their token to the market. But now we can see market cap of the Bitcoin is going down, and the people in the market, they are interested to hold their Cardano. They would like to hold their BNB. They would like to hold their some crypto asset. Of course, many of them, like a CRO, we can see this dump. Okay, like Polkadot, we can see this heavy retracement. But Ethereum, okay, it's much better. It's not on their previous ATH, but Link, okay, it's sort of heavy retracement. Okay, heavy retracement. But this kind of like a Polkadot, like Cardano, the fan of this project, they hold there, they don't like to sell their position. I know this is a heavy retracement, but if we compare it to the previous ATH, it could hold it. But the previous ATH was around 1.30 cents, but in this chart we can see it could hold at this level. What I want to say, the crypto market after the first cycle as a mostly fork of the Bitcoin, the second one as a mostly crypto asset on the Ethereum as a token, and now they are getting more mature, and we can see a lot of project on a gaming, a lot of project as a layer 0 or layer 1 solution, layer 2 solution, and this market is getting mature and mature with DeFi, with NFTs, and people are not only interested on Bitcoin, but they are interested to utilizing the blockchain technology. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate to do that. Every day I go through the market and I create this sort of video and I share it with you. I have mainly update about the market, what the other people they talk. Also, I have this kind of analysis and another point of view from the Bitcoin and the market perspective. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and you find this information useful and informative. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow with new video.